I'm Sean Wu. Today we'll present to you our latest model of Sound Viewer, a comprehensive noise diagnostic and analysis tool. This latest model has significant improvements over the previous versions, both in terms of hardware and software designs. The hardware consists of primarily a microphone array base, data acquisition unit, 5 extendable microphone rods, power cord, USB cord, and extension cord, plus a laptop computer and a tripod. Now we'll put them together for you. First, you attach 5 extendable microphone tubes by screwing them to the base one by one. These tubes are connected through a circular socket. Note that these tubes are extendable. This flexibility makes Sound Viewer versatile and suitable for diagnosing and analyzing noise sources inside a confined space. If space is limited on any one particular side, use a short tube. If space permits, then use a long tube. This is because the larger the array size, the more accurate and the noise diagnosis and analysis results. Next, use an USB cable to connect the base to a laptop computer. Now you're ready to conduct noise diagnosis and analysis. You can hold this array and move it around a target source. Or you can mount this array on a tripod to perform noise diagnosis and analysis. Alternatively, you can remove the array from its base, use an extension cable to link the array to base, hold and move the array around a target source. Note that this system can be driven by an AC or DC power, which can be very convenient for diagnosing noise sources inside an automobile passenger compartment. So there you go. It is emphasized that this latest model of Sound Viewer is no longer a simple sound source localization tool. Rather, it is a comprehensive noise diagnosis and analysis system. It enables users to accomplish a wide variety of noise diagnosis and analysis tasks. If further information is needed, we can then perform a targeted measurement and analysis. This principle is exactly the same as a doctor diagnosing a patient. Through physical exams, a doctor can know the general health status of a patient. If the doctor wants to know more about a specific pathology, he or she can order a specific examination such as an X-ray, MRI, angiogram, etc. to get more accurate and detailed examination. The major functionalities of Sound Viewer include, but not limited to, visualizing where sounds are from, for example, a vibrating thin shell structure subject to a shaker excitation, locating where low-frequency noise is emitted from a long truck exhaust pipe, analyzing the aerodynamically generated sound field around an automobile inside a wind tunnel by visualizing the sound pressure distributions on 3D vehicle surfaces and in 3D space, reconstructing all acoustic quantities, for example, the SPL map in space, over 3D surfaces of a disposer, sound intensity vector distributions on the source surface, and sound power levels and spectra. In addition, SoundViewer enables one to perform 3D scanning of the sound pressure field to identify locations of noise sources, sound transmission losses through, say, an automobile underbody panel subject to different power suppliers, and audio tracking analysis of, say, an automobile transaxle. In short, SoundViewer is a comprehensive noise diagnosis and analysis system that enables one to tackle a wide variety of noise issues. Thank you for your attention. I encourage you to call me at 248-561-5064 or send me an email at seanwu@signal-wise.com to request a free trial of using this disruptive technology to tackle your noise-related issues.